Hello guys, what is up? In this video, you're going to show you how to pay Temu using GCash. Now, if you're in the Philippines and you have GCash like most Filipinos do, you would want to use GCash to pay for your shopping on Temu. So how do you do this? So as you can see here, we are at our shopping cart. And what you want to do is, of course, go to checkout like this. And here, you're going to see the payment methods on a very tippy top. It says GCash, so tap GCash. And what you want to do is click Submit Order like this. In payment processing. Now, what's going to happen is your GCash will be open, right? Now, what you want to do is just go to your GCash and then just follow the steps needed so that you will be able to pay for your shopping on Temu using your GCash account. Make sure that your GCash has, money in it. You have it's loaded, because if it is not, you're not going to be able to buy whatever it is that you're buying from Temu. So it's that easy. That's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.